Welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we are taking a look at our smaller maintenance van and giving you a van tour. So this is a Fiat Doblo. It's a 2013 on a 63 plate. It's a 1.3 diesel and it's currently got 80,000 miles on it. We're going to start at the back of the van and then move round to the side. Let's have a look at the back. Okay, so we're at the back of the van. Those viewers who are of good eyesight will actually notice it's started to snow. So we'll try and get through this nice and toasty. Might turn the generator on to warm our hands up. We'll start with the generator. Same as our bigger van in the Vivaro. This is a 5 kVA step hill generator. Bought this from SGS. It's the same as in both vans. Incredible generators. I've had them for about 18 months now. Just changed the oil on regularly, give them a good service, and yeah, they just keep going and going and going. Highly recommend them. So that's the generator. We have our platform again for reaching high vehicles, vans, etc. Kneeling pad, always useful to have. Nitro gloves. Got some cloths. These are for paint and glass. We do have some glass cloths somewhere in the van. They're in probably the other side. Bear with me. It's not a van that I tend to drive frequently. On the top shelf over here we have a number of different things, from makeup pads to more gloves for people with different sized hands, Hoover bags, Haribos, I leave them in customers' cars. We have our own personalised air fresheners that we sometimes leave in customer cars. We have our antibacterial wipes, Dr. Leather wipes, cleaning leather, our striping brush. On the next shelf down we have some fairy liquid. We have some Somex BSD. We have some hybrid solution ceramic wet wax. This got sent to us by Turtle Wax. Once Adam's done his review, it goes on the van. Get that used up and test out in the real world of clients. Put that down there. We have 5 litres of tyre shine. We have some 5 litres of bug remover. Numerous compounds. We also have some Auto Finesse triple for hand polishing and glazing. We have 5 litres of all-purpose cleaner, tyre shine. We have some Swiss Wax Onyx wax, fairly new pot. Again, really nice wax to put on and off. Then we have some brushes for interiors, pet brush, interior scrubbing brush, numerous Hoover attachments, wax applicators, other Hoover attachments, spare Washmitt. We have DAS6 machine polisher and some compounds. Not sure whether you can see them. I'm not going to get that out because it's quite secure in there. AM Rain, AM Trim, AM Seal, an all-in-one polish, some Sam's Detail and ceramic wax. I know Sam's a great fan of that one. And some Acom hand polishing glaze. Again, that's really good. If you've got a customer who's handing the car back and you want to give it just that little bit of zing, it's really good. So this is our maintenance van. It's not designed to do anything more than a full valet. We do have a wet vac. We have a Karsha Puzzy extractor that goes in both vans when we need it to. But this van is literally designed to go and do maintenance valets and keep our maintenance customers happy. Onto the Hoover, we have a Karcher WD2. In the other one we've got a WD3. There's not much difference between the two, probably just a little bit more power. This one's got a slightly smaller cable on, simply because of the room that we've got in the van, although that might get upgraded. Different crevice tools, long, small, short, medium. Some extension cables, they're always useful to have. And that's it basically for the rear of this van. There's a lot more that we could put on here, but we're trying to keep it simple. Again, this is just to do maintenance valets. That's all that this really does. It does the odd machine polishing job here and there, but its main focus is maintenance valets. Okay, let's pop to the side of the van and we'll show you what's in there. Okay, so let's have a look at the side of the van. We'll start with our water tank. This is a water tank out of our original van that we first had, and it's 190 litres, so not quite as big as the 460 in our other van, but can quite happily do 2 or 3 cars, depending on obviously the condition. That's secured to the bulkhead and to the bottom of the van as per our other water tank. This is attached to a reel, and this has got a 25 metre cable on this one. Again, quick release short trigger on the end of that reel, and that's powered by a Kranzle. I'll show you that in a second. A number of detailing brushes on the side of the tank. These are from Carbon Collective, and there's a few MB brushes there. We have a Microfibre Holder. Always useful to have these. They are expensive, but they are really good. The tops come off and go in the wash. Pop that down like that. Then we have our chemicals, and there's loads more chemicals in the back, but again, trying to keep things more efficient. Everything you need is kind of next to the door. So we have our Snowfoam, shampoo, some bug remover, rinse sealant, quick detail, and some lemon air freshener. This does get moved about and changed between cherry, jelly bean and lemon, depending on how Sam, Mark and Adam decide on what scent they want. So yeah, it varies from month to month. Then we've got our interior dressing, glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, fallout remover, tyre shine, and our Viro Clean antibacterial antiviral cleaner, and our silo full of ink cloths for glass, interior, and other dirty jobs, wiping down door shutters, etc. We also have I think this is a Marilex pump sprayer that Adam got sent. This has got wheel cleaner in it. All the chemicals that we have in the van, I'll try and link below, but please bear with me, there are a lot of chemicals. So what we'll do now is I'll try and get some of the stuff out of the van rather than go into the van. I am small, but I'm not that small, so I'll try and get things next to the door to show you what's in the back. Okay, so with the help of Sam behind the camera, I brought some of this forward so we can talk about it. So 3 buckets, they all get stacked in the top there. When we put them all back in, I'll show you some B-roll now of what it looks like before we take them out. So we've got Ultrabright foam lance. Feels a bit icy. I don't think it is. Carbon Collective, Vulcanizer, Wheel Organizer, brush organiser thingy-majiggy. We've got Easy Detail brush, Vicam brush, Duff Shine brush, Easy Detail Go brush. We have a smaller Easy Detail brush. We have a Detail Kingdom back brush. Detail Kingdom? And oh, that's actually icy. That's actually ice. I don't know why. A kiln pad, softy pad. We've actually got some more of these on order. You'll be pleased to know, Sam. So right, I'll put them back in there. So that's that. We then have 2 Washmitts, one for top, one for bottom. 3 buckets. All buckets have grip guards in. These are the detail guards in these ones. I'll put a link down below. I'm not taking them out because they're fixed in. I'll have to take out, clean and put back again. So that's the buckets. Like I say, they live at the top. Put that out here. We have 5 litres of prepared wheel cleaner. Just go straight in. The guys on the van don't have to worry about dilution rates or anything. It's all diluted, ready to go. So it's ready to go wheel cleaner. Some shampoo to top up the shampoo that's in there, so I don't have to keep returning to base all the time. And again with the Snowfoam. We also have our jerry can. We also have a bottle for tar remover and a brush in there for applying tyre dressing. And that snow is actually coming down a bit thicker. So yeah, nice. Actually snowing properly. What I'm going to do is get everything back in the van, and then what we'll do is we'll give you just a shot inside of where everything goes and how everything's laid out. I'll show you where the Kranzle sits. Drying towels and cloths. Again, we have a dirty bag, a bag for dirty cloth, should I say, that sits near the door, and Sam is in the process of creating a box, like our main, bigger van, to sit behind the Kranzle reel to house the drying towels. At the moment they are in a bag of their own. So let me put this all back in the van, and we'll have another chat and catch up, and we'll round everything off. So although I know it's quite dark inside there, you should be able to see the buckets go up there, the chemicals all go on that shelf there, and we've also got the Kranzle down here that's fixed in as well. None of that moves when you're driving. Not that you can go very fast in this van, but if you do any harsh braking, none of that kind of moves. So yeah, that kind of sums up what's in the side van. So that kind of sums up the van tour of the maintenance van. There's not more, a lot more I can show you. Again, it's a maintenance van designed to do maintenance valets. Like I say, it does do some full valets and protection details, but that's probably about where it's designed to go up to. So it can do anything up to a protection detail. It can do machine polishing, but we tend to take the bigger van. It's got more equipment and more space to put a gazebo and things in there. If you have any questions, drop us a comment down below, drop us an email, post us a message on social media, and we'll try and answer as best we can. And yeah, like, share, subscribe, all that jazz. More videos are coming. Now we're back up and running in 2021. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!